Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to show you my favorite yogurt. It's so good. It's called Oui by Yoplait. French style yogurt. They come in a couple different flavors. This one's the vanilla. I also tried the strawberry and black cherry. And those, they have like the fruit at the bottom, so you kind of just have to mix them around. They're so good. It's literally like the best tasting yogurt ever. 5-ounce container, and it comes in this nice glass jar so you could like reuse it and stuff. The consistency is really great. It's like not watery at all. I'm eating it right now as we speak. It's like a dessert. It's so good. And what's nice is you reuse the containers. I used to buy Yoplait a lot, the plastic cups and stuff. Now I saw that this came out. I actually saw it at my grocery store, and I'm like, oh, that's cool. Usually I don't go for like the gimmicky stuff, you know, it's in like the pretty glass jar, blah blah blah. Definitely interested in trying it, and I'm so glad I did because it is delicious. If you haven't tried it, you have to try it. You're gonna love it. Non-GMO. Of course, if you have this delivered, you just have to be careful because, you know, it has to be refrigerated, so perishable and all that. So just be careful with that. So I guess it's inspired by a French recipe. I never had French yogurt before. Now I definitely like understand why people love it because it's so good. It's delicious. And the vanilla is like probably my favorite, but the fruit ones are good as well. So first, grade A, keep refrigerated. Got the box top on the back. Nutrition facts. Oh, Yoplait and Oui are trademarks of Yoplait Marquet from France, used under license. I didn't even know that Yoplait was a French yogurt. So nutrition facts: serving size 1 container, amount per serving, 170 calories. I mean, I know there's yogurts that are, you know, less, like I think the regular, I don't know if it's a regular Yoplaits. I know there's some yogurts that are like 80 to 100 calories, like the Light and Fit one. The Down and Light and Fit one's really light, but this is like an indulgence, so it's definitely like, it tastes better. And to me, I personally think it's worth the calories. Total fat 8 grams, saturated fat 5 grams. I don't know how many like Weight Watchers points it would be. I'm sure it would be more than your average yogurt, but like to me this is so good. It's like a dessert. Cholesterol 30 milligrams, sodium 85 milligrams, total carbs 16 grams. No fiber in there, sadly. Let's see, sugars 15 grams. Not horrible, definitely not horrible. Protein 5 grams. At least there's some protein in there. I mean, for me, I try to eat yogurt because, especially, well, besides the fact that it tastes good, I'm vegetarian, so sometimes it's hard for me to get that protein in there. So 5 grams is nice to add to your diet. Low vitamin A and vitamin C, 15% calcium, no iron. The ingredients are really nice. Pasteurized grade A milk, cane sugar, yogurt cultures, and vanilla extract. I like that yogurt acts as like a natural probiotic, so I think that's pretty nice. And I just think the best thing about this product, besides, I mean, it's pretty natural product, natural ingredients. At least it's cane sugar and not processed sugar. That's nice. Pasteurized grade A milk, yogurt cultures, so it's healthy in that sense. It's just like a little bit more calories and sugar probably than your average yogurt, but it is so delicious. And then they have like these little cute sayings in here. Listen to your favorite song. Hashtag Oui by Yoplait. It's really so good. It's just like an indulgence. I would have it as dessert because it's definitely satisfying in that way. I hope you guys, if you haven't yet, try Oui by Yoplait. It's pretty new. It is so delicious. Try all the flavors. All the ones I've had so far are so good, but I think vanilla by far is my favorite. So I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you love it. And don't forget to reuse the container. Glass. Have a good one, guys.